In this video, we will discuss if-else that we learned previously. We will implement it one by one. Let's go to the if condition first. Here I have taken a variable age and have added the if condition. If then I have round braces and then in it I have the statement in curly braces. So here I give the age is 20, okay? Here it is checking the condition that if the age is greater than 20, it will qualify for driving. That it is qualified for driving. So now if you run it, so what does it say? Qualifies for driving. So here I have the answer. So my condition will fail if I do 17. Condition has failed. It will print nothing. Now I refresh it again. It is printed nothing. Now let's go to if else. Here the age is 15. The age is greater than 18. It qualifies for driving. Else it does not qualify for driving. It will print the else condition. Rather we will add it to the script file. If else, save the file, now running it again from here. Does not qualify for driving because its age was 15. Now this was done because it had taken the else part because its age was 15. If it had been 18 or 20, it would have printed it. Now we have stored in a variable book the strings math. Then we check that book is double equals to history. So what will it do? It will print history. If it's math book, print maths book. If it's economics, print economics. And if there is no book, print unknown book. So it will check one by one. It has not found the history one, but it has found the maths one. So it will print the maths one. So here we will look at it. Else, saved the file, ran it and printed maths book. For example, IMD it. So what will it do? I will directly go to unknown book of else. So it has printed unknown book. These were our simple three which included if, else and else if. We will do some more examples so it will become clearer for you. So let's meet in the next video.